What's up, YouTube? What's going on, man? I'm bringing you today another episode of What is Dre up to. Today, I want to talk to you about my favorite products to clean a car and have your car looking fresh for days. And I got my top 7 products I use. Inexpensive. Some of them you could get at the Dollar Tree, and they do the job extremely well. I'm gonna show you how your car is gonna go looking from this to this. This is my 97 Geo Tracker. This is my baby. I call her La Baby, because that's why I treat her. I treat her like a little baby. And I'm gonna show you the products right now. First is first. We're gonna start with Awesome to clean the grimes and the brake dust from the rims. I like the wipes, the Armor wipes for the steering wheel and small places inside the interior. This is last. Let's put this right over here. This is all I use. This is Eagle 1 All Surface Nano Wax. This keeps your car looking fresh for days to come. Next is Total Wax Quick and Easy Inside and Out Protectant. This is for the plastics. All the plastic strips around your car, all the black plastic strips around the car. And they keep those plastics looking black for days to come as well. And the good part about this, you could use it in the interior too. For the interior trims, all black trims. And it keeps them looking fresh and clean. Next is this sprayed away glass cleaner. You could get this at Home Depot. You could probably get it at any other local stores around your way. This is for the glass of the car. Keeps that glass looking shiny and clean. You can see it. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. So yes, this is. Next is this Meguiars Ultimate Inside Shine Tire Coating. Why I love this product right here? Because you just spray it on the tire and it keeps that tire looking wet for days. For days, I'm talking about days. You see that? It looks beautiful. This is my I like this Adams Polishers Undercarriage Spray. What I do is I spray this on the wheel wells. Now I'm gonna talk to you also about the procedures I do when I give my car a car wash, and the steps on how to have your car looking beautiful like this. First, before you start washing your car, before you start applying that water and all that, what you want to do, spray the rims. Spray the rims. You can spray the tires if you like. Spray your rims and tires with Awesome. So this is $3.99. This big bottle right here. You can get the gallon too for I guess you're gonna get more for your money. And this right here will remove all that brake dust and grime from your rims. Spray it, spray. Don't be cheap. Just keep spraying it. Keep spraying it. If you want, you can brush it too. Brush it so you can get all that liquid inside all the little corners. And just apply it. Don't worry about nothing else. That's before you start washing the car. Remember, you wash your car. You start rinsing it now. You put the soap and you start rinsing it now, right? So once you start rinsing it, you do the wheel wells. Don't forget to clean the wheel wells. Remember that. Then clean the Awesome, the product I use to clean the rims. Clean it off the rims. Spray it in there. Use the hose and spray it off. Clean it out. Blah blah blah. Done that, cleaned that up. Now your brakes, your rims look nice and clean. Once you're done doing that, you're gonna dry up the car with your microfiber. I forgot what's it. It's like it sucks up the water. You're gonna dry up your car real good. Don't worry about the rinse. The rinse, while you're done with the rest, your rinse will dry up by themselves. Dry your car. Good thing about this right here You won't scratch your car, and you could reuse it. Just once it's all soaked, squeeze it, all the water's gonna fall off. Apply it again. Keep drying it. You need your car real dry, real good, so the products could work well. Remember that. Once you're done drying your car, next step. After this, you got the Eagle One All Surface Nano Wax. You're gonna get a clean microfiber towel, right? And just spray elbow grease. Spray elbow grease. Spray elbow grease. All where the metal is. All where your nice paint of your car is. Spray elbow grease. Nice. You're done. Car's looking fresh and shiny, and it's gonna maintain like that for days, right? Once you're done with that, you're gonna attack the plastic trims from the outside of the car. The car do have them. You're gonna use this product right here. You're gonna get one of this sponges. Your AutoZone. You'll probably get them at the Dollar Tree, maybe. If not, you can use a microfiber towel if you want. What you wanna do? Once everything is dried up, remember you dried up everything. Everything I'm talking about, everything on the exterior. You apply it. Elbow grease on the plastic, all the black plastic trims. Elbow grease, elbow grease, elbow grease. I did the top too. I did my top. I did all the black trims. I did this. I did the door handles. Look how nice the door handles look fresh. I did the black trims around the sides. I did the bottom one too. Don't forget. I did that. I did the front bumper. Look how nice and shiny that front bumper looks. Did everything. The mirrors. Now remember about that product. You could also use it on your interior plastics. All the interior, you could use it on your dash. That's the good thing about that. It's a 2-in-1 product, man. I love it, and it maintains it shiny. It maintains it shiny and clean. I haven't done my interior yet. I just did the exterior for today because I'm showing you what else that product could do. That's it. I gotta clean up my carpets. I'm gonna do that now, later. All right, so you did your black trims, right? Blah, blah, blah. You did that. What's next? You're gonna come out and use your glass cleaner. Use this product right here. You spray it. Do little swirls, right? Elbow grease with it. Now what you wanna do? You're gonna use another clean. Don't use the same. Have your separate cleaning things, your towels and your sponges separate for each product. Don't mix them up. You're gonna use a clean microfiber towel for the. Don't use the towel papers they have. Those towel papers for windows, they trash. I use those. They don't work. They don't do the job like they're supposed to. Use a brand new clean microfiber towel. Works best. And do this. You're gonna give it a swirl, clean it up, elbow grease, right? And clean it up, and you're gonna have your windows looking shiny. You could do you could do it inside out, outside in. Don't matter. You could do your windshield, and it may have those. And you have your sunroof. It has that glass looking clean for days and shiny. What's next? After you did your glass all around your cars, you're gonna use this for the tires and give it that nice tire shine. Just spray it around. Do all your 4 wheels, and that's that. It's gonna have your rims looking clean. What's next? You're gonna come after your car because you already killed time. Your car is almost dried up from the rear wheels and all that, right? Your rims are also somewhat dried up. You're gonna come with the Undercarriage Spray, right? So you're gonna go spray your rear wheels, nice. Why I love that product is because it doesn't only keeps it looking clean. Because wheel wheels. This is a 97, guys. 97. Look how nice those wheel wheels look. Beautiful. That spray also protects it from dirt and all that stuff that runs up the metal on the wheel wheels of your car, and it doesn't allow them from getting sticky and nothing like that, sticking on your car, and it keeps them the wheel wheels looking fresh. After that, last but not least, I get the same microfiber towel that I cleaned the glass with. It's already dirty, somewhat dirty from for cleaning your windows and stuff, right? I just pass it on the rims. Pass it on the rims just to get the what I missed on the with the water hose. Just clean them up and look at that finish. Look at that clean. Polish them. Grab one on both sides and just clean them up real well. Look at the wheel wells. Wheel wells looking nice and clean. I'm also gonna cover another spray. I'll do another video too. Stay tuned for another spray that I use and combine both of them for the rims, so your rims could look clean. Now this product is good. Don't get me wrong. It's for light stuff, brake dust, and grime. But for rims that's been sitting, which I got some rims there as proof, rims that have been sitting for 20 years, and they had something on them that it just didn't want to come off with that product. So I did I did like little verses between the two, and I'm gonna cover that up about those two products, about that one, Awesome, and this one. Let me look for the spray. Now, if the Awesome doesn't do the job, this right here will definitely do it. Trust me, guarantee 100%. So stay tuned for that video. This is Napa aluminum brightener. This will remove anything. I'm talking about anything on the rim. Stay tuned for that video, all right, guys? I'm gonna compare them so you can see for yourself. You can witness for yourself and see if you like it or not. See if you want to spend that little extra money from Napa, or just you'll be okay with the Awesome spray. So stay tuned for that video. I'll catch you in the next episode of What Is Dre Up To, guys. Peace.